Is that good water? Can you do tricky eyes? Yes, I'm filming Daddy now. Jack. Daddy. No. Go film Daddy. Go take this over. Wait. Now look. Don't put your finger in front of it. You have to hold it like this. Can you do that? Hold the edge. Good. Put your thumb. Now hold it like this. Oh. You're filming Daddy.